Okay, so this next video is looking at stationary points on your graphical calculator, which I've touched on a little bit, but I'm going to show you a more exam style type question. So here's the question here. Obviously I need to do it all by hand as well in order to get all the marks, but this is a nice checking tool. So I go into graph mode, I type in the equation of the curve, x cubed plus 2x squared plus 3. Oops. There we go. And I push draw. And I can see there are two stationary points, a maximum and a minimum. Hopefully I can see roughly where they are as well. I can zoom in a little bit just by selecting zoom in and selecting an area near there. There we go. That's really nice. Okay, so if I go to GSolve, I can simply say max and min. There they are. And so if I look at this maximum first, select maximum, and there we go. It will tell me the gradient's 0, which is what I'm hoping, and it will give me the coordinates. It does give me them in decimal format, which might not be okay on your question. You might need to then, go back a bit and work them out in a different format. But I can do that. I can also push execute, and it will stamp them on there for me. If I come out of that, and I then select GSolve min, there we go. It's given me the other minimum point when x is 0, y is 3. I can stamp that as well. And it also reminds me that the gradient is 0. So really nice method. If you've got something decimally like this and you're required to give an accurate answer, not decimal, then what I suggest you do is you use this as your guide. You know roughly where it is. You'll have all your working anyway, but then you can go back into the first mode, run matrix, and use your first derivative, second derivative to help find your actual points.